let's go to page 73. And the next one is I think it's hot pink. Isn't it? Isn't there a bright pink one? That's two triangles that are like an hourglass kind of. I think that's the one. Yeah, this is the last one. I'll go ahead and pull him out. I've got him. I don't know if I have one. I should have already pulled these out, but I just didn't do it. Oh, there's a yellow one. Okay, put him up here. And this is number 2. And here, this is easy. Solve for x. You got to say, and this has got some really big numbers in it. Now, this one is tricky because it is not obvious, because 50 and 55, those are almost the same length. And these, it's really hard to tell which way they match up. So the best way you can do it is look at your picture. We've got to solve for x. That's our instruction. Now, I know that 5x minus 10 has got to be in one of them. So I'm going to let that be my top. So I'm going to do triangle FGH. So that's the big ones. I'm going to do big over little. Now I'm going to see if we can do it without writing the letters. Let's see if we can. So I'm going to put 15x minus 10 on top. Now, the only way that I feel good about matching up this triangle with it is to go up here. 15x minus 10 is FG, right here. Then FM matches up with that. Which one is FM? 50. The 50. Now, I could have written FG over FM if you need that, but I think sometimes that writing those letters gets a little confusing. Now, in this last one, we may want to write the letters because it's the first case where we've had a triangle in a triangle. We've had them like this, but we haven't had them like that. This last one we're going to do. Now, let's do the others. It should be these two, and it's going to be, because we don't even know this one, so it's going to be HF, which is the 154, big triangle, 2, and FH, let's just make sure, matches up with FN, and that's the 55. Now, this is really big numbers. We're going to cross multiply, and I'm going to have 55 times 15x minus 10. Now, I've not checked any of your slips, but several of my honors class on their 32 forgot to distribute right here. So be careful when you write these down that it's 55 times that one and that one. And then this one's going to be 50 times 154. It's not 100, is it? Oh, thank you so much. That is going to make for big numbers. That's going to be bigger than what it's going to be. Thank you, thank you. Okay, 55 distributed to the 15x is going to be 8,200, oh, let's try that again. 825x minus 550. That's the 55 to both of those. Yes, that definitely helped. And then the 50 times the 154 is 7,700. Add 550 to both sides, and you get 825x equals 8,250. Oh, now the division should be easy. 825, 825, and you should see it. You should, x should be x is 10. Because see, when you divide, take 825 and multiply by 10, you'll get that. So x is 10 on that one. Now these do come out even, so that will help you different from less than 32. Okay, one more, and then we're going to talk about the calculator just real quick. I don't think I'm going to record it because I recorded it this morning, but we'll talk about it. Number 3. And we're going to solve for x, and our x is this question mark right here. So I'm going to put my x right there. Oh, and I didn't give you, I cut it off. I forgot to give you. Triangle, if you don't have this, you don't know it. CRB, which is the little one. CRB, yeah, this one is similar to the big one. And remember the symbol, little one squiggle. And the big one is TRS. Now you have to watch what you know. CRB is this one, and X is the side, it's the CR right here. And then the big one, the TR, is the 16. So we're going to do I'm going to do little triangle to big triangle. So you kind of have to decide just the way it's set up. For me, since X is my little number, then I know that RC right here matches up with TR, which is, see how they do the arrow? That's 16. Now let's do the same thing over here. RB matches up with RS. So RB is the little triangle, which is 11, and RS is the big triangle, which is 22. Cross multiply, and you get 22x equals 16 times 11, which y'all probably wouldn't write on your classwork, but some people ask me, if I just put the number, everybody's like, where'd you get that number? And it's 176. Divide by 22, and x is equal to 8.